Hello, Elena. March 17th, the cheetah. The cheetah is some cat. When it comes to fast starts, no sports car can beat it. The cheetah is one of the fastest animals on Earth. It can reach 45 miles per hour in only 2 seconds. Then it can run as fast as 70 miles per hour for a short distance. Because it is so fast, the cheetah doesn't have to sneak up on its prey. This cat hunts by running down its victim. When it catches up, the cheetah leaps on its prey and kills it. The cheetah has long, thin legs and rubber-like pads on its paws that give it extra spring. Unlike most other cats, the cheetah can't pull its claws in. Its claws stay out all the time like a dog's. In India, the cheetah is tamed and trained as a hunting pet. Around humans, it is as gentle as a house cat. Out in the field, it is kept blindfolded until the prey appears. Then they let it go. Like a streak of yellow and black, the big cat goes for the game and brings it down. The end. Toodles, Elena.